Okay, so welcome back. In the last tutorial, we used the extrude tool here to turn our two-dimensional sketch into a three-dimensional solid, and we used the fillet tool here to round off the sharp edges of the car body. Now we need to draw our axles to mount our wheels onto it. So we're going to start a new sketch now, and I'm then going to select a plane. So I'm going to sketch on this plane now. As I know this aligns with the front plane, I'm going to click front so that I feel like I'm drawing two-dimensionally. I'm then going to click on center point circle, and I'm going to drag a circle out there, and I'm going to change the radius to 8. We're then going to use the dimension tool now. So I've clicked the dimension tool, I've selected the center of the circle, and I'm just going to select the corner there. You notice that it will give me sort of an orange ghosted dot there. And I'm going to drag a dimension away. I'm going to turn that to 15. And it will make it 15 from the bottom. I'm going to same again there. Center of the circle there. Corner there. Start that again. Drag that up there and change that dimension to 30. And I'm going to do the same here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of cheat a little bit. I'm going to start off there. And you notice I've just hovered over the center of my original circle, and that's 15. And then when I left click now and drag the circle away and press 8, I know that that circle there is in line with there, so I don't need to put another dimension. All I need to do is dimension that circle there from the end, or from that point there. No, dimension from there to there. That's not worked too well. Let's have another go. And I want to bring that in 30 from the end there. I can then finish my sketch, and if I go to the camera and render options here and turn that to isometric, you'll notice that the in grey the circles we've drawn are there. So I'm going to click extrude on that part. It's important you do them both together and that part there. If you only do one, it won't let you go back and do the other one. So we're going to extrude that. We're going to change our depth now to 11 and click OK. I'm then going to orbit around this side here. And I'm going to create another sketch on this face here, look at it from the back. And I'll do this a bit quicker. Draw my circle at 8. Dimension it from the bottom, so pick the center. That needs to be 15. It's got to be exactly the same as the other side. There. And that needs to be 30. Again, just hover over the center of the circle there. Sorry, hover over the center of the circle. Drag a line, so notice a dotted line away from there. Left click, turn that to 8, and then I can dimension that from there to there as being 30. Finish that sketch, orbit away, and I'm going to extrude that part and that part there, changing it to 11mm and click OK. Now, the one thing I probably didn't say here that we need to sort of probably get a bit clearer is because we're working online, this is cloud-based, we don't need to click save, it will remember things as we go along. In Part Studio, I might also want to just change this to here, rename my part there to car body. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.